Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best window cat door is probably one of the most convenient and liberating inventions for both cat owners and their feline companions, offering a safe and controlled way for your pet to explore the outdoors or access different areas of your home without the need for constant supervision or manual door opening. Imagine the joy of watching your cat freely roam, bask in the sun, or simply enjoy a breath of fresh air on their own terms, all while you maintain peace of mind knowing their access is secure and monitored. This innovative solution transforms your living space into a more enriching environment for your beloved pet, fostering independence and reducing potential behavioral issues stemming from confinement. Number 5. PetSafe Sliding Glass Pet Door, White. Tired of complicated pet door installations? This one slides right into your existing door track. It's perfect for apartments or rentals because no permanent changes are needed. Keep your home energy efficient and secure. It features a magnetic flap, shatter-resistant glass, and a lock kit for peace of mind, no matter the season. Designed with your medium-sized furry friend in mind. It accommodates pets up to 40 pounds with a flap opening of 8.14 inches wide and 12.316 inches high. From a company with US roots and worldwide reach, you get vet and trainer-recommended solutions. We're dedicated to creating joy for pets and their families. For over 25 years, we've been creating safe and innovative products. Our goal is to enhance your pet's life and support the lifelong bond you share. Moving soon? No problem. You can easily take this pet door with you. It's a great solution for apartments and condos, offering convenience and flexibility. What we like? This option is perfect for renters or those who prefer a no-drill installation. It's designed for medium-sized dogs up to 40 pounds. If you're looking for a temporary or easily removable solution for your sliding glass door, this is a great choice. What people say. The cat door is easy to install and adjust. It is very sturdy and well made. My cat loves it and uses it all the time. Number 4. PetSafe Sliding Glass Pet Door, Large Dog Door. Introducing the PetSafe Sliding Glass Pet Door. It installs easily into your existing sliding glass door track, making it perfect for apartments or rentals. No drilling or permanent alterations are needed. This pet door is designed for all seasons. It features a magnetic flap, shatter-resistant glass, and includes a human door lock kit and a closing panel for convenience and security. Accommodating pets up to 130 pounds, this door boasts a large flap opening. It's ideal for your large dogs, ensuring they have easy access. Moving soon? No problem. This pet door is perfect for apartments or condos. You can easily take it with you when you move, as no permanent changes are required. For over 25 years, PetSafe has been dedicated to creating safe and innovative products. We aim to enhance pet lives and support the lifelong bond between pets and their families. With US roots and a worldwide reach, PetSafe delivers vet and trainer-recommended solutions. We provide exceptional customer support to create fields of joy for pets. What we like? This is the ideal choice if you have a larger breed, accommodating pets up to 130 pounds. Like its smaller counterpart, it offers a no-cut installation, making it perfect for apartments or rental properties. If you need a robust and secure pet door for your big dog without permanent modifications, consider this one. What people say. It literally took me less than 10 minutes to install. The weather stripping and the magnetic flap do a great job of keeping out drafts. It's stable all on its own and doesn't need the other door to stay put. Number 3. PetSafe Easy Install Plastic Pet Door. Tired of letting your pet out? This pet door is designed for a simple DIY installation in wood, PVC, metal, or panel doors. It's perfect for a quick setup on interior or exterior doors. Crafted from rust-free, paintable plastic, this frame ensures long-lasting performance. The smooth swinging, weather-resistant flap is designed for your pet's comfort and can be personalized to match your home's aesthetic. Gain peace of mind with the included lockable slide panel, allowing you to control when your pet has access. The flap dimensions are ideal for small pets weighing up to 15 pounds. With a commitment to creating fields of joy for pets, this brand offers vet and trainer-recommended solutions. They provide exceptional customer support for all your pet's needs. Since 1998, this company has been dedicated to creating safe and innovative products. They aim to enhance pet lives and support the lifelong bond between pets and their families. What we like. This product is a versatile option that fits into wood, PVC, metal, or panel doors. It's specifically designed for smaller pets weighing up to 15 pounds. If you need a durable, customizable pet door for an interior or exterior door and want to match your home's aesthetic, this is a fantastic pick. What people say. The magnet is strong and holds the flap closed when not in use. The tunnel is deep enough to accommodate most doors and walls. It's easy to install and remove, making it a convenient option for renters. Number 2. Ideal Pet Products Chubby Cat Sash Window Pet Door. Introducing the Ideal Pet Products Chubby Cat Sash Window Pet Door. It offers a secure and convenient way for your pet to come and go as they please. This door is designed to fit most sash windows, with an adjustable width from 27 to 32 inches. It requires a minimum window height of 15 to 18 inches. The locking rigid flap is made from unbreakable clear Lexan, allowing your pet to see through. It's also non-toxic for your pet's safety. With a flap size of 7 to 12 inches by 10 to 12 inches, it's ideal for pets weighing between 2 and 25 pounds. You can easily control your pet's access with the 4-way locking knob. Choose between in only, out only, free and out, or locked positions. The patio panel frame features an elegant white finish with clear tempered safety glass. It blends beautifully with your home's interior decor. What we like. This is a great solution if you want to install a pet door in a window. It's adjustable for window widths between 27 and 32 inches and features a clear, unbreakable flap. If you're looking for a pet door that doesn't require modifying your walls or doors and offers a clear view for your pet, this is the one. What people say. This cat door also allows us to leave for a few days without having someone care for the cat. He comes and goes freely, and has access to his food and water. The installation literally takes minutes to do. Just make sure you get the correct size for your window. This cat door fit perfectly into my window and was fully adjustable to fit into an ideal position. The sturdy construction goes far to alleviate concerns about security. Number 1. PetSafe Heavy Duty Pet Screen Door. Give your furry friends the freedom to come and go as they please. This door is designed for easy and secure use in your existing screens or storm doors. Built with tough, tear-resistant materials, this door is made to last. It allows you to enjoy the breeze while ensuring your pets can safely enter and exit. Setting up this door is quick and hassle-free. It blends seamlessly into your screens without blocking the view, making installation a breeze. From its US roots, this brand offers vet and trainer-recommended solutions. They are dedicated to creating joyful experiences for pets and their families. For over 25 years, this company has been creating safe and innovative products. They are committed to enhancing pet lives and strengthening the bond you share. What we like. This option is specifically designed for installation in screen doors, porch screens, or storm doors. Its heavy-duty, tear-resistant mesh ensures durability for active pets. If you have a screen door and want to provide your cat or dog with easy access without compromising the screen's integrity, this is the perfect fit. What people say. It works great and it blends beautifully with the window screen. My 16 pounds cat fits through it perfectly, and the pet screen door seems quite sturdy. Installing it was fairly easy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.